Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at the Mars Magellan BCD. So the Magellan is a travel BCD, it's a wing style BCD, so all the inflation is behind you, it's incredibly lightweight, it's kind of stripped down to the bare minimum. You've got integrated weights, you've got sort of all the adjustability and comfort and padding and all that kind of stuff that you want, but it's also a completely foldable, flexible BCD, so you can pack it away in your bag that much easier. So fully functional BCD, but at a fraction of the weight. So starting off with the harness itself is stripped down. So we have this unique harness design. Instead of big, heavy, clunky harnesses, they're a bit more ergonomic. They're designed, they're stripped down, they're thin, but they're still padded on the inside, so they're still nice and comfortable. Anodized aluminium D-rings on there. So again, you get attachment points, but they're made to be light. So for traveling, it's that much more comfortable. Full adjustability, you've got the adjustable chest strap that has a built-in whistle as well. Adjustable shoulder straps, and you can actually adjust them at the top as well. On the waistband, you can adjust the waistband to your exact needs, so you can make it a little bit longer, a little bit shorter. And the integrated weight pouches, very quick and easy and secure. You know when they're in place and when they're locked in place as well. You also have the integrated knife section. So these two little grommets just allow you to bolt a knife onto that section. So that way you don't have to have it mounted to your arm or your leg or stowed away in a pocket. It can be bolted somewhere nice, easy to reach whilst you're on the dive. On the other side, on the right hand side, you actually have a fold away drop down pocket. So whilst you're diving, if you don't need it, you can fold it away so it's out of the way. You still have a D-ring so you can clip things off onto that. But if you don't need the pocket, you can just fold it away. But if you do need it, even if you find something on the dive, you can undo some Velcro, it rolls down, you've got then a zippered opening and closure so that you can stow something away in there nice and safely. The inflator is Mars's Ergo inflator, so very comfortable in the hand. The red button inflates, the grey button deflates, and if you hold the entire inflator and pull that down, there's actually a stainless steel cable on the inside of that corrugated hose, and then it's going to vent over at the top. The valve at the top is actually a low profile elbow, so that's nice and neat. So if you're swimming in overhead environments, keeps you nice and streamlined. And the wing itself is designed to be as streamlined as possible. This is it when it's fully inflated, so you get plenty of buoyancy, and as you can see, most of the buoyancy is down towards your lower back, down towards your hip. So that's going to keep you in a nice flat position in the water. But as you deflate it, these elasticated straps actually pull that wing in, pull the bladder in, keep it nice and tidy so all the excess material isn't flapping in the water, it tucks in nice and close to your body. So for a travel BCD, the Magellan is hard to beat. It's incredibly lightweight, it's nice and free as well. So when you put it on, even when it's fully inflated, the bladder isn't inflating around in front of you. So minimal harnessing as well. You have plenty of room for movement, so you feel nice and free when you're in the water. There's going to be more information on our website about the Magellan down in the description below. There's going to be a little link. So head over to our website, simplyscuba.com, where you can check it out and buy it from us. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.